Hello, this is your Action News reporter here at the Desert Paradise Archery Range. Today we're shooting the Black Hunter 35-pound recurve bow. We are shooting bare bow at 17 yards. Now, there's 30 different breeds of birds, small birds, that live in North America. The first one we're going to do is downy woodpeckers. They're the smallest woodpeckers found in North America. They're found all the way up in southern Alaska, down through Canada, and throughout the United States. Represented by red arrow. The downy woodpecker scores 1 in the 9 ring. Yay! What a way to start. And only 12 points though. Now that's okay. Our next bird is called the American goldfinch. Now during the summer they are more yellow, especially the male. He's a bright yellow, kind of like our cardinal here in Arizona. The male is bright red and the female not so much. During the winter they turn brown. They are found all across the United States, southern Canada, and northeast Mexico. They are represented by yellow arrow. The American goldfinch, yellow arrow, scores 11 points. Our next bird is the house sparrow. Now this bird was originally from the Middle East, but it was brought over here and quickly became one of the most popular birds here. It is found in Canada, the US, and Mexico, represented by orange arrow. The house sparrow, orange arrow, scores 16 points, putting him in first place. Yay, way to go! Our next bird is the song sparrow. These birds are common in all of North America, especially in wet and shrubbery open areas, represented by white arrow. Our song sparrow scores 18 points. Way to go! That puts him in first place now. Yay! Next to the line is the house wren. They are found in southern Canada and all across the US and Mexico. And these birds, they'll make their nest about anywhere. The article I read, he told a story where his mom used to hang clothes out on the clothesline and had a little basket hanging from that line with their clothespins in it. Well, the house wren made its nest inside that basket, and they couldn't use those clothespins until the birds had hatched, grown up, and flown away. What a story. Is represented by black arrow. Our house wren, black arrow, scores 21 points. That steals first place again, so we have a new leader. Our next bird is the white-breasted nuthatch. Now these birds are compact birds. They have no neck, a short tail, and a long pointy bill. They're found all over the US, southern parts of Canada, and northern parts of Mexico. They like to live in deciduous forests, represented by blue arrow. The white-breasted nuthatch gets pretty good grouping and scores a total of 15 points. Our next arrow is the house finch. Now these little birds like to be around people, so they'll build their nests in buildings such as detached garages, just anywhere they can find people, in yards, parks, and other urban and suburban areas. They are found in most of the U.S., but not in central U.S., and they're found in northern Mexico, represented by brown arrow. Brown arrow, the house finch, scores 13 points. Our next to last bird is the black cape chickadee. I like that name for some reason. I don't know, it makes me laugh. These birds are often called cute, and they are. They're very cute, as they are tiny with oversized heads, with a black cape and bib. They are found in deciduous forests, thickets, and cottonwood groves. This bird also loves people. It's found in the northern U.S., most of Canada, and parts of Alaska, represented by green arrow. Our black cape chickadee scores 21 points, ties for first place with black arrow, the house wren. Way to go! Congratulations! Our final bird is the dark-eyed junco, one of the most common small birds in North America. This species is found in pine and mixed conifers forests. In winter, they are seen in fields, parks, woodlands, and backyards. They have earned the nickname snowbird or winter birds because they only appear in winter in many parts of their range. They are represented by purple arrow. Our black-eyed junco scores 1 in the 9 ring. Yay! It only gets 16 points. Oh, that's too bad. We have a tie for first place with the house wren, black arrow, and the black cape chickadee, green arrow. High score will take first place, low score will take second place. Black cape chickadee will shoot first. House wren, black arrow. Our house wren scores 5 points. He will take first place, and green arrow, the black-eyed chickadee, hits the 1 ring. He will take second place. See you at the winner stand. Hello, this is your Action News reporter here at the Winner's Circle, where we have in third place white arrow, the song sparrow, with 18 points. In second place, we have green arrow, representing the black cape chickadee, with 21 points plus 1 point in the shoot-off. Winning that shoot-off is black arrow, the house wren, also with 21 points, but scoring 5 points in the shoot-off, taking first place. Yay! There are our winners. The winners and I would like to wish you a good day.